Well, you may have heard Chicago's home buying market is heating up, especially in these recent winter months. So we're going to take a deep dive into what's going on with Sammy Lubeck, a local real estate agent. Thanks so much for being here.
Thanks for having me back.
Yes, it is always good to see you. You've been seeing some year-over-year growth in specific areas in both the city and suburbs. Could you break down some of those places where that's happening?
Absolutely. So I took a look at Q3 last year versus Q3 this year, and we've seen a huge increase in the median sales price in Englewood. We've actually had a lot of multi-unit properties sell there. We've seen about an 83% rise in property values in Englewood. And then you take a look at like the luxury marketplace. Kenilworth, we're seeing a major increase. Kenilworth always goes up in value. Places like Glencoe, you've had $9 $3 million properties sell in the last few months.
Maybe those folks won the lottery.
They absolutely won the lottery. And, you know, you see different areas of the city. South Side, you've seen a lot of investors go in, take advantage of some lower prices, some greater opportunities, take advantage of higher rents that they can charge these days.
And you mentioned some areas on the South Side. Is it too late to get into Englewood at this point, or what areas should people be looking into if they're thinking about buying in 2025?
Well, over the last 10 years, we've seen different areas of the city really explode. You know, we've seen areas like Ukrainian Village and Logan Square. Those have appreciated so much. I think there's still a lot of affordability on the South Side for investors to get in there, take advantage of some great properties there and ways to, you know, take advantage of those gut rehabs and build their net worth.
And build that net worth. Now, we were saying that the Chicago real estate market is pretty hot now at the end of the year. Why would you say November was such a good month for home buying?
I think it's less competition. You know, there aren't as many buyers out there. They can get in, not have to deal with as many multi-bid situations like they do during the spring and summer market. It's a phenomenal time for them to get in. But, of course, there are fewer properties on the market. So, yeah, from the seller's point of view, it's a great time to put their houses on the market because we still have low inventory around the Chicagoland area.
We have low inventory, but we do not have low interest rates.
We do not.
Sure. We were kind of hoping that the Fed would make a couple of more rate cuts. Maybe it hasn't happened as some people were hoping for. What impact do you think that'll have on the 2025 market?
I think it's a matter of just being prisoner of the market, you know, of the moment, I should say. That was maybe a little Freudian slip, who knows? But when it comes down to it, I think that a lot of people that were looking at interest rates last year, you know, seeing them close to 8, here we are lower than 7%, still can take advantage of that comparison. Interest rates aren't going to go back to 3% anytime soon, so you have to deal with it. When it comes down to it, it's all about those two magic questions. Is there a property you love? And can you afford it? If that's the case, you go for a property.
Now, some people may go into this process thinking, oh, I'll be able to refi at some point. Do you think that that's a good strategy? If somebody is maybe desperate to get into a home right away? Or should you think they should wait till the rates come down?
No, absolutely. Get in now. Get that opportunity to refinance. If rates somehow went up, they'd be happy to get the rate where it is now.
All right. And we got you here, Sam. We've been talking all morning long about winning $1 billion in the Mega Ticket lottery tonight. How would you spend the money?
Call me. Let's go. There's a reason there are so many great luxury homes out there. Give me a call.
Give you a go, right? And add to your bank account as well, right?
Why not?
All right, checking in with Caitlin this morning for a look at that forecast.